Before you begin, remove the service cover. Wireless LAN module. Wireless WAN module. Hard disk drive assembly. Optical drive. Keyboard. Top cover. Battery. Display panel assembly. And display bezel. Removal. Using a flat, non-conductive tool, carefully remove the webcam board from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure and lift the webcam board off of its alignment pins on the display enclosure. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the webcam board and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the webcam.